So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Friday the 20th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had price come down towards this 1220, brief bullish bounce up towards the 1228. So a subsequent breakdown towards that 1214.26. Trade slightly through the 1214.26. I think we trade all the way down towards the 12. We trade all the way down towards that 1212 or that 1211, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum hold the 1214.26, breaking back above the 1220 and heading up towards this 1228, from which we have seen sell side momentum take us back down towards 1216, broke back above the 1220. So if we do see this momentum continue here to the upside, 1228 is a possible target that we are looking at. So 1228 has proven itself important enough to so what I'll do now, I will move the 1233 down towards this 1228, pretty much there. There we are. So we'll close that drawing on the charts, and we'll also save the drawing. There we go. So as we've had a few interactions with this 1228, it's proven itself important enough to be marked out on the chart. So we've got the 1228. So if we do see this buy side momentum come into the market and bring us back towards 1228, we'll see whether we do hold resistance there and possibly see price move down towards that 1220.67. Successful break, from which we're then looking for price head down towards that 1214.26. Beyond the 1214.26, of course, we're looking for price head down towards that 1200 level here on the XAUUSD, which I'd expect to be the far end of the range if we do get a particularly volatile day. We've seen quite a bit of volatility already this week, but if we do see this bullish buy side momentum continue, we do break and hold above 1228, we'll be looking to target the 1236.47, key important level from a daily chart perspective, from which we've previously found support. We'll see whether we do encounter resistance in around that 1236.47. We also have to be aware of the confluence, which may come into focus depending on how long we do take to get up there, of the 200 period moving average, which could act as a further confluence and a dynamic level of resistance, from which we could encounter a sell side resistance in around the 1236.47. And beyond that, of course, we're looking for prices to head up towards possibly that 1243.13, in which case the 400 period moving average could act as a further confluence there. Let's just have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So we're getting the scale on here correct, and as you can see here on this daily chart, we had a pretty sharp sell-off down towards a 1214.26, trade slightly below the 1214.26. So this very notable sized wick, suggesting that there were buyers in around that, between that 1214 and a 1210. So prices head upwards on a move back down towards a 1216. Again, we've seen the bullish buyers come back into the market. So we did see quite a bit of sell side momentum in the previous couple of days, so this might just be a case of profit taking at the end of the week. So we might see a counter trend move up towards possibly at 1228, or if there is volatility towards at 1236. But it's pretty clear from this daily chart that the overall trend on the XAUUSD is to the downside at present. So until we start to form a bit of a base, there still remains a degree of bearish momentum overhanging this market at present, even though we might be a bit oversold, so we might get a bit of a bounce, bit of consolidation. But for now, there does appear to be a greater degree of bearishness overhanging this market. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.